You guys are like animals. Oh wait, you are animals.
His ears look good when he's
What
running.
are you doing?
Where's Kane?
Kane, what are you doing? Come here, boy. Come on, Kane. Come here. Come.
Maybe I'll find a rabbit again today, Curtis.
Good boy. Good dogs. Where's Rigby? Rigby!
He's scared. Take him. Where'd it go? Brutus is getting so tall, he's about to be able to see over the brush line when he's walking through.
He would look scary then, huh?
Yeah.
He looks kind of like a Black Panther, or like a little bear, huh?
Yeah.
He's getting away from the bear shape, I think.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing over there? Kane, you just want to go see your donkeys? Is that what you want?
I'm gonna summon them. Come on, you two. Rigby, Brutus, come. Come on. Doing is that dead animal? Come on.
Should we go see what they're getting at?
Rigby. Brutus. Well, whatever it is, Brutus is laying down, so
Hey,
it must be very tantalizing.
what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Brutus? What are you guys doing? What is it? What is it? I see nothing. What are you guys looking at? You just smell something? Something buried right here? Get it. Get it, Rigby, get it. Get it, Rigby, where is it? Good boy, get it. Find it. Get your thing, whatever is here, Rigby, get it. Get it, Kane. What is it? Oh, get it, Brutus. Get it, boy. Just find nothing? Alright. Not super exciting, huh? Rigby, what is it, boy? What is it? You gonna take another look? Get it, Rigby, get it. Good boy, get it, dig it up. Find something? Okay, you guys ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go finish our walk. Brutus, did you find anything, buddy? Whew, watch out. Rigby, hey. Let's go. You ready? Come on. Come on, dog, let's go. Let's go catch up with Mom. Come on. Let's go, Rigby. Come on, boy. Go get him. Come on, let's go. Go, Rigby. Go get the donkeys. Let's go get the donkeys. Go get him, Rigby. Go get him. Go get him, Kane. Go get him, Bruce. Catch up. No mustard, just ketchup. Ha ha. Good boy, Bruce. Where'd Kane go?
It's right here behind the tree. On the bottom of that side. Patiently waiting.
Waiting for the donkeys. Oh, here comes the mini horses.
Oh, they're coming to see you. Go get the horsies. Brutus, go get your girl.
Here comes the mini horses.
Oh, Kane's going for it. He wants to get him. Go get him, Kane. Go say hi.
You go say hi, Kane.
Here, I'll go with you, Kane. Come on, let's go say hi. Come on.
Oh, here comes the other ones.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. They're all coming over. Or if you want to say hi again. Hi. Come here.
Neighbors have all kinds of fun animals. Brutus, what is that? What is it, Brutus?
It's a horse.
Hey.
It's a baby horses.
Brutus.
Say hi. Hi, come here.
Hi, babies.
You got a
Good.
fly stuck on your eye. There you go.
Oh, babies. Hi.
Come here, baby. Hi, you. Hi, you. Are you giving her kisses? Are you giving kisses?
Kane,
Nice,
you gotta
Kane.
be nice.
No barking.
No barking.
And she's wagging her tail anyway.
You can play, but just don't bark, okay?
He's a pretty horse. Oh, say hi, Brutus. Hi, Brutus. How are you today? Look how big their bellies are, huh? They say we got big bellies and short legs.
Hi, big babies.
Big bellies and short
Who's a
legs.
good dog?
You come say hi, Riggs. Come say hi to the horsies. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Kane, don't bark.
Say hi. Yeah. No
Hey.
barking.
Nobody.
You're good, baby.
You're so good, boy, baby. What are you
Baby.
doing? Did you slobber the camera, buddy?
Good baby.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Like
Kane,
a pet.
can't bark, buddy.
Hey,
Kane.
they don't like to run. Their legs are too short. Stop. No
Let's go get-
barking.
hey, let's go get the donkeys
go
then.
find
Come
your
on.
donkeys. Go get your donkeys.
Let's go get the donkeys, Kane.
Go get your donkeys.
Come on.
Hey.
Come on. All right, enough with the mini horses. Let's go get the donkeys. Come on, this way. Rigby, come on. Brutus, what are you doing, buddy? Come here. Come here, Brutus. Oh, that's so good. What are you doing? This my good boy.